Ready to boost your crypto portfolio with zero investment? Let's explore Telegram airdrops. Telegram airdrops are the hottest trend in crypto right now. Imagine earning tokens just by interacting with bots. Here's how it works. Crypto projects distribute free tokens through Telegram. You complete simple tasks like gaming or tapping, and voila, crypto rewards. Now, let's talk top projects. Hamster Combat, 150 million users mining and battling for tokens. TapSwap, 50 million players tapping their way to TAPS coins. Pixelverse, 26 million users earning in a cyberpunk world. Blum CryptoBot, 20 million users farming rewards. And CEX.io, TapBot, 12 million users tapping for tokens. Want to maximize your earnings? Join early, stay consistent, and use boosts and bonuses. These strategies can significantly increase your rewards. So, join the Telegram airdrop revolution and turn your time into tokens. Like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite airdrop project. See you next time.